Hey and welcome to Alpha One. Today is a beautiful sunny day here in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and I want to go out and enjoy my day. But before I do that, I want to make some money, and I want to make some money a fast way, and you can too actually. So I will now run Alpha One iBot for 7 minutes, and let's see how much money I can make. But before we do that, you can also run this robot. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you use the promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. Okay? And if you like this type of videos, make sure you push that subscribe button, the like button, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's see how much money I can enjoy out today.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day.
And just like that, now I can go out, relax, enjoy the sun, because we made $1,811 in a matter of 7 minutes. So with that, have an amazing day.